Today I am reviewing Roborock F25 BX Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock F25 BX Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is not just another cleaning device. It's an impressive all-in-one powerhouse designed to transform the way you care for your floors. This machine is more than a vacuum. It's a complete floor cleaning system that combines vacuuming, mopping, drying, and self-cleaning into one seamless experience. If you've been tired of switching between devices, the broom, mop, vacuum, and mop again, the Roborock F25 BX is here to change all that. From the moment you pick it up, you'll notice how thoughtfully designed this unit is. It's cordless, lightweight at just 9.2 pounds, and built for effortless maneuvering. The 70-degree rotating head and 180-degree lie-flat design allow you to glide smoothly under furniture, into corners, and right up to baseboards without awkward twisting or bending. That's the kind of flexibility that makes cleaning not just easier, but almost enjoyable. One of the standout features of the F25 BX is its dual-function wet and dry cleaning ability. It delivers a powerful 20,000 pascal suction, making it one of the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaners on the market. Whether it's pet hair on hardwood floors, crumbs in the kitchen, or spilled liquids, this device handles it all. The dual scrapers and curved comb wiper ensure there are no streaks and no hair clogs, which is a huge plus for anyone with pets. No more stopping mid-clean to untangle hair from your vacuum. The F25 BX keeps going with uninterrupted performance. The self-cleaning system is another game changer. It uses high-temperature water at 194 degrees Fahrenheit to rinse away grease, stains, and dirt after cleaning, and then air-dries the mop in as little as 5 minutes. If you prefer a quieter drying process for delicate floors, there's also a 20-minute drying mode. This means your cleaning process doesn't end when you stop vacuuming. The machine takes care of itself so it's ready for the next use, without extra effort from you. The Roborock F25 BX is smart too. It comes with advanced dirt detection and mode adjustment. This means it automatically senses the type of mess and adjusts suction and water flow accordingly. For example, if it detects food crumbs, it switches to a powerful dry cleaning mode. If it encounters a spill, it adapts to wet cleaning. This level of intelligence ensures that every cleaning session is efficient, effective, and tailored to your home's needs. Another great feature is its edge-to-edge cleaning capability. The F25 BX gets as close as 0.03 inches to walls and edges, ensuring every inch of your floor is spotless. Combined with built-in support wheels, precision cleaning, and a flexible mop head, it truly offers a thorough clean without leaving missed spots. Whether you have hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, or sealed wood floors, the Roborock F25 BX delivers consistent results. It's ideal for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants to reduce the time and effort spent cleaning. It's also perfect for spot cleaning or full room cleaning, making it an incredibly versatile tool. In conclusion, the Roborock F25 BX Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a modern marvel of home cleaning technology. It combines power, convenience, and innovation in a way that makes cleaning faster, smarter, and more efficient. If you value your time and want a spotless home with less effort, this is a machine worth considering. It's more than just a vacuum. It's a complete floor care solution.